You are right, child. This place has changed.
Who said that?
It's me, Priya, in the last healthy tree in the park.
Who can talk?
That's what everyone says. It is too late.
Oh no, tree is upset.
Only when someone listens.
Of course, trees give us oxygen, shades, and beauty.
It is the smoke, the plastic, the carelessness.
Who care about a few trees?
Not little. It's not funny. Trees are our life.
Wait, really?
Yes, we have been completely suffering.
This serious?
Not job. It does. Every action counts.
I am sorry.
Thank you.
Let's protect nature.